Hello, I'm Konstantinos Soulis, the coordinator of Path4Med Horizon Europe project. In this presentation, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the main ideas behind our project, mostly focusing on monitoring, which is the key to achieve the design and implementation of agricultural policies that are able to protect the environment and at the same time ensure farmers' income. The main objective of our project is to pave clear pathways towards zero water and soil pollution in the agro-hydro system, focusing mostly in the Mediterranean Sea basin, and we try to achieve this through a triple bottom line approach, meaning that we try to achieve at the same time economic, social and environmental sustainability in order to ensure the well-being of humans and also the ecosystem's functioning. Our main ambition is to enable decision making and policy design at all scales, starting from farm level, which is the actual level that the farmers are working and our solutions are implemented, and go to watershed level or even country level or European level where the policies are designed. To this end, it is critical to use cutting-edge soil and water monitoring technologies that can make feasible the utilization of mature solutions and make them from research results to mainstream effective agricultural policies. Our project works in 11 demonstration areas spreading around Europe, but mostly targeting to the Mediterranean basin. Our monitoring technologies range from Earth observation to IoT to eDNA, and while modeling is an integral part of our approach. The development of these high-tech but cost-effective monitoring solutions is not only about better science. The idea is that in this way we can make possible the design of targeted evidence-based policies, and we can make the sustainable practices truly feasible by allowing us to pinpoint where they are really needed, to prove that they are working, and in this way justify the financial support required for their widespread adoption. You can find more details and discuss with us in front of our poster or to the website of our project.